Hello and welcome to this session brought to you by the Academy of Practical Accounts in conjunction with your institution. In this session, we're looking at the printing and naming of reports, and actually this is the last one in the series. So basically learning how to print and name reports using our mobile device. Okay, now here we've got our mini year-end reports checklist running from A, B, C down to J. On this side, running from L, M, N, Q, R, S, T. Cool. Now, what happens is we are only going to focus on the reports highlighted in yellow because those are the ones we know that have got data basing on the transactions recorded. For example, we didn't record any fixed assets, none was brought forward. We didn't record any wages. This business doesn't have employees, and we have only one bank account. And then we don't have other current asset accounts. We wanted to keep it simple. This is simplified accounts, simplified accounting. So let's get straight to our device and we go straight to our mini year-end reports checklist. We scroll down, click that. Okay, this is it. Now, if these are going to be stored manually, then we should start with the last report at the bottom and it should be filed at the bottom. So according to the arrangement, the ones in A should be on top. So we start with the files at the bottom. Okay, so we're going to start with T3. It's T for there, doesn't matter. So let's print out this very quickly. Now we're going to pinch. Now let's see. We need to see this one. PDF should come. Now I think we need to drag this one up. The recording screen up. Yes. So now each of these reports has got a print PDF button. Now you can either print as a hard copy or you generate a PDF for storage. Now let's see. According to this, I have connected a Brother printer. But then I'm going to select the option to save as a PDF. To save as a PDF. So this is the small report. Okay, click PDF. Okay, click PDF. Now it's going to ask me where do we want to store. Let's see. We can store. Okay, I've disconnected my internet to minimize disruptions. So I have two options. Either to store on the SD card or the internal storage. Now let's go for the SD card or internal storage. Okay, let's go for the SD card. Now I think we can create our folder. Now this business is called, what's the name of the business? Market Trader, Market Stall. Now we're going to say 2017. That's when we've ended. We click OK. So that's the folder created. Is it going to come? Click OK. Okay, there are no items now. Let me drag this up. Now, when this PDF is generated, it comes with a default name. Now, the one that follows after this will be default one. But what we're going to do, we're going to rename this. We rename this. We're going to call it, it's supposed to be let's call it T3. Let's call it T3 according to the app. Okay, so we call it T3. All right, and then we click save. And it has been generated. Now what we're going to do is to verify this report. Now let's do it after a number of them. So T3 has been generated. And after that, we can tick on the side. Where is T3? We minimize this. Okay, minimize this. Scroll up. Okay, it's T4. Well, there's a small difference between the main year-end checklist. Now let's have a look at this. I think it has run away from the mini year-end reports checklist. Yeah, so we need to go back to the mini year-end reports checklist, and I know why it has run away. So ideally we should click the back button. So this is the one that is T3. We tick that one because it's been printed. Now let's print P2, tax on profit. We hope we'll have enough time. So we go straight to, let me pin, I don't know, this screen is a bit, okay. Let's drag this up there. Okay, print PDF, and this is going to be T2. Want to generate a PDF? Want to generate a PDF? This is going to be T2. Okay, print PDF, and now it has come. I think we need to compress this a little bit, dragging it up, but it's still giving trouble. Okay, now T3 is already in the folder. Now let's see. Let's drag this up. Okay, now we're going to rename this to T2. Okay, now double click that. Yes, T2. We can remove that space and then save. Okay, now we click the return button. Okay, we're still on this. Now what we're going to do is to tick the T2 report. Wait, we didn't click save. All right, we click that, and we click save. Okay, it's been updated. Now we click T1. Okay, now we should simply print. Printer discovery can be improved. Okay, all right, save as PDF. All right, this is the PDF. Click PDF button, and now here, generate a space. Double click that, and then we're going to name it T1. T1 and save, so we can see the PDFs generated. Now we go back. So we've printed 3 at the bottom. Ideally, that is the order that we should follow. Now, to avoid running out, well, let's print the ones at the top first, because since this is a PDF, well, they'll be arranged accordingly. So let's go for these ones at the top. Now let's go for A1. But ideally, if you're going to file them manually, you start with the ones at the bottom. As soon as it comes out of the printer, you put it at the bottom, and these should be the ones on top. So we go for the A1. Okay, this is the A1 report. We print, create PDF, save as PDF, and there we are. So this is going to be the A1. Okay, double click this. A1. Can remove that space and save. So it definitely goes at the top, and then we can go back. Right, we print the A2, which is the tax computations. Print PDF, and then we select that drop down to save as PDF. I think we need to reduce this in order to see more stuff. Okay, we click this button. Now this is 2 pages. All right, now good. Will it go up? No. Okay, we click here. We generate a space in there, and then double click that, and this is going to be A2. A2, delete the space and save. And then go back. Okay, we're printing B1 now. Oh, we double clicked and we ended up on the wrong one. Now this is B2, I think. Yeah, B2. We just print it. It doesn't matter. We shall name it accordingly. So we click the drop down, save as PDF. Okay, that's 2 pages. This is the B2. Okay, click here. Okay, double click that. That's B2. Remove the space and save. Then we go back and we're printing B1 now because we didn't get it last time. Print PDF. Okay, save as PDF, and then click this button. It's a single page. Now we click here, generate a space in there, then double click that, and this is B1. Can remove the space and save. Okay, now we go back. Now, how do we check on these reports? Let's go up to C3. Okay, we're printing B3 now. Those are the notes to financial statements. If you want to confirm, oh, okay, it's B3 on this mini reports checklist and B4 on slight confusion. Anyway, print PDF and then click the drop down, save as PDF, and then this is 2 pages as well. Okay, this is going to be, let's name it B3, doesn't matter. B3, B3, B4, we can modify accordingly. We can modify the names anyway. So double click this. This is going to be B3. Okay, since it's a mini reporting. If it's extensive reporting, it should be B4. So let's save that. Okay, and then we go back. Let's go up to C and then we'll have a look at them. So this is a C1. C1, we're going to print PDF. You either print a hard copy to this printer or we generate a PDF. Save as PDF. All right, and then this one here, this is the C1. Okay, we generate a space in there. This is the C1. C1, remove the space and then save. Okay, we go back. We're printing C2 now, there, and journals, print PDF. Save as PDF. Click this button. So, okay, we move to the right there. Just wait. Don't want. Okay, this is C2. C2. Click save. Then we return to that one. We're printing C3 now. It's generated. We print PDF. Save as PDF. And then print this one. This is C3. This is C3. Okay, with space and then double click, delete, and then C3, remove that space. Remember, the PDF has got to remain there. If that PDF disappears, then it will not be a PDF report. It might be, but it might be messed up in the system. So accessing it as a PDF could be problematic. So we should leave the .pdf in place. That's very important. And remember, each of these ones have got a guide. Now, I think, yes, this is a C3. So we go back. Right. Now, what we're going to do is to try to access these reports on the device. So I click the main button here. And then I click, okay, let's click this apps button. The apps button now. In here is the files folder. Now this is my files. God, I think I should go back. I double clicked instead of single click, so it should be all here. Now the problem here, will I access the SD card? Yes, I think I'm storing on the SD card. Oh God, cancel this. Now let's try to find our folder. Okay, now what's the name of our folder? It's supposed to be called Market Stall. Trouble. Yes, Market Stall is here. Great. This is where our PDF reports are. And there they are. This is what we have printed. This is what we have. These are the PDFs we have generated. Now let's have a look at these PDFs. Let's see. We're going to have a look at them on both the device and the laptop. Now, which one do we look at? Let's look at B1. Let's double click this. Let's see what happens now. The app, the device is asking, how do we want to view this? Let's use Adobe Acrobat to view this report. It's generating the display for report B1. So let's see. This is the PDF. Now, this is the PDF. Now let's see. What's this button for? Okay, anyway, we have seen it there. Now what we're going to do is to copy some files onto the laptop and access them on the laptop. Yeah, we're going to access this one especially on the laptop. Okay, now how do we get out of here? This one. Okay, let's close this PDF. Now, how do we copy these files? Now we're going to the Laptop Explorer. Laptop Explorer, and this is the Galaxy Note. This is the Galaxy Note. Remember, we are, let's see, we are saving on the card, not the phone. Okay, now here, this is our folder, Market Stall. And now we're going to see the big PDF. Let's look at which report. Let's look at B. Where is B1? B1 is up here. Okay. It's generating a PDF, and this is the normal PDF, A4 size. Okay, let's try to reduce it in size to 50%. And we scroll up. So this is the big PDF, and that's it. You can access it. We can print to, let me see, we can print to the connected printer, get a hard copy for filing purposes. Looks good. Let's see, this one is taking a bit of time. There we are. We can't see everything. Let's see. That's the printer selected. That's the size. This is the preview here. And that's it. So ideally, we should continue with the printing process. Now, what we're going to do is, let's go back, since we're running out of time. Let's go back to our application up here, that one there. Okay, now ideally we should tick what has been printed. Now the A1, let's pinch this. So this one is printed, that is printed, that is printed, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, and the ones below. Now remember, the E's will not be printed. We shall print the F, the G, the H reports will not be printed. We shall print J1, L1, L3. Now this L2 is a bank statement. It's supposed to be a hard, well, wait. This L3 is the bank, is the hard copy. Now this is a reconciliation. We confirm that we did reconcile. So L5, we don't have L5. We have M1, M2. We don't have N. We have Q1, Q2, Q3. And then we have, yes, we got the loan summary. We should have a last loan and hire purchase statement. We got the loan and hire purchase accounts. We have the credit card summary and reconciliation. We have the S3, and then we have the T1. Now we should save this and then update it. We're going to print this. Now this PDF should be the one filed on top of all the records. It's filed on top of all the records, and it's going to be the checklist. I think we can see that. Okay, that's it, and we're going to name it. When I get in the option for naming, why? See them below here. Well, that's the procedure we should go through, really. And I think we come to the end since we are running out of time. In case of any questions, please you get in touch with us. Thank you.